This chemistry lesson aims to analyze the effect of temperature, stirring, and density on the rate of salt dissolving in water. Naturally, differences in salt content in seawater occur in the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea, which meet in the Strait of Gibraltar. The difference in salinity causes both to form a barrier so that they are not easily mixed. This is mentioned in Al-Qur'an, Suroh Arr Rohhman Verses 19-20. Welcome to Cambridge International with Islamic Value, Global Chahaya Nubuwwah Insani Boarding School Purwakarta. The learning activity begins with a basic explanation of the theory and work procedures of the experiment by the coach assisted by the mentor. By applying the demonstration method, learning aims to develop skills in observing, recording data, analyzing and drawing conclusions from an experiment. The explanation is not only in the form of verbal instructions, but is also done visually on materials and materials physically. The coach also demonstrates this scientific activity so that it is easy to understand in its entirety, but still fun. After the question and answer session, the experimental activities in the working group began. Students collaborated to carry out the experiment, guided by the group leader and mentor. The coach provided direction so that each treatment of the experimental process ran according to the work procedure and the results of the experiment were accurate. The leader needs to monitor well, considering that this process must be fast and precise, while observations are carried out simultaneously. Each time a treatment is completed, challenging questions are given by the coach to lead students to carry out accurate analysis according to learning objectives. After carrying out the third experiment, namely the speed of dissolving liquids with different densities, the coach provided correction and reinforcement with interactive mathematical calculations. The analysis process and drawing conclusions from this experiment, as a whole, refers to the difference in the specific gravity of the two liquids causing the two not to mix easily. Naturally, this event occurs in the Mediterranean Sea, which has a high evaporation rate due to the hot tropical climate throughout the year, causing its salinity to be higher than seawater in the Atlantic Ocean. When they meet in the Strait of Gibraltar, both seem to have a barrier blocking them. This natural phenomenon is mentioned in Al-Qur'an, Suroh Arr Rohhman Verses 19-20. He lets the two seas, with different salinities, meet. Between them is a barrier that neither of them can pass.